In this video, we explore Decorators, one of Python's most elegant tools for adding behavior to functions without ever rewriting them. Imagine you have 10 functions and you want to log every time they run. Copying the same logging code into each one is painful and error-prone. Decorators solve this by letting you write that logic once. Here is a helpful way to picture it. The function is the gift. The decorator is the wrapping paper. The gift inside stays exactly the same. The wrapper just changes how it is presented. We start by defining shout. Notice it accepts a parameter called fn that is shorthand for function. Any decorator is just a regular function that takes another function as input. Inside shout, we define a new inner function called wrap. Wrap calls the original function, gets its result, and then converts that result to uppercase. Finally, shout returns wrap as a replacement. The @ sign followed by the decorator name is Python's shorthand syntax. Writing at shout above def greet is the same as saying greet equals shout of greet. From this point on, greet is the wrapped version. When we run the program, greet returns the string hi, wrap converts it to uppercase, and Python prints hi. The greet function itself was never changed, the decorator did all the work. Without a decorator, you would paste the same uppercase logic into every function you want to shout. With the decorator, you write it once and apply it anywhere with a single @ sign line above the function. Decorators let you add behavior to any function from the outside using the @ sign syntax. They are used everywhere in real Python code for logging, measuring speed, caching results, and checking permissions.